It was a treacherous morning for crews trying to clear the roads in Boyle County. 2 salt trucks ran off the road near Danville and had to be pulled out of a ditch. Phil Pendleton talked to police who blamed the dark and foggy conditions.
It's a battle against the snow, the ice, and the elements. And Friday morning, all of that won this battle.
The conditions are bad.
In 2 cases,
Water's melting and running over it and refreezing.
within a mile of each other in Boyle County.
He just got over off the shoulder a little bit. It's hard to judge.
An Allen Company truck contracted by the state slid off U.S. Highway 150 near Danville. Nearly within sight of that one, a state truck couldn't handle the slick spots on Chrisman Lane.
The ice, my cruiser says it's 3 below right now at this time of the morning. Your ice is not operating like it should.
While most of the powder was plowed away Thursday, the frigid temps left many roads a solid sheet of ice.
They're just slipping off the road. I think it's a problem all around, not only in Boyle County, but every other county as well.
Both incidents happened about 7 o'clock. It took nearly 3 hours to remove them.
No standard log chain will move something like this. That's why they've had to go get a tow cable.
Neither driver was hurt. In Boyle County, Phil Pendleton, WKYT.
By the way, both trucks were fully loaded with salt when they slipped off the road. One truck had 6 tons of salt, the other 14 tons.